Hello, welcome back to the Happy Hut. I'm Neil and this is the Dad Delivers vlog where I try something new every single day, and today it's a little bit specific. It's how do you change the line on a Flymo Mini Trim ST strimmer or trimmer. It's really easy. You and I are going to do this step by step along this. It's super quick. If you want the exact spool to get, I've put a link in the description below, and when I've used Poundland line in here, it's not been good. It's kind of fallen apart all over the garden, and it also heats up and just sticks together in the cartridge here, so it's really pricey, but at least it won't fall apart in the garden like I do. I know exactly what you're going through because it happened to me right over there. Let me show you the exact moment where the line snaps. Oh, the trimmer line snapped off. Let me show you underneath the Flymo Mini Trim ST. This is the spool cartridge. Just to show you how easy it is, you pinch these two lugs together and the cartridge just comes off like that. So you can replace the line by just getting some more line to go onto this cartridge, or you can get a whole new cartridge to put on. And to put it on, first thing you need to do is to feed about 10 centimeters through the hole here, the spool hole. I'll just put a lot through and I'll show you how to tighten it up. And then make sure it's all not falling out because it will get tangled in there. I'm going to push it back over the lugs and push the cartridge down until it clicks. So both catches have gone there. Now this is obviously too long. You could just spin it and then you'd lose this amount of extra cable on the first spin. But what I'll do is tighten it up because I want to save money. All you do is push in the two lugs again and turn the orange cartridge anti-clockwise, and you might be able to see that the line is going back into the cartridge, which is handy. And anything extra will be caught by the little line cutter inside the safety guard.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?